Okay, I'm walking in the front door. This is all the stuff that's on the back of the door. That's behind the door. Look, I've never done this before in my own shop, but it's kind of cool. It keeps it out of the way. Flying hoop skirts. So here I'm walking in. Oh, look, I have my little snack and coffee station over here. There's my workbench, which is a little bit cluttered right now, but I just moved. I haven't figured out where everything goes yet. There's my sewing machine. There's one of the dress forms. Drawers. Computer desk, which I will deal with tomorrow. I'm so tired. I have moved everything today. Look, I can fit an 8-foot cutting table in here now. I am beyond excited. The other studio was so small. There was no room for it whatsoever. Now there's a good place for the rack. I can work on both sides of this table. I mean, admittedly, the path on either side is a little narrow, but honestly, it's not all that different from where I was working at the ballet. I had a very narrow space behind the table where I worked. There were conveniently bolts already in the brick so that I could put my shelving unit up. Look how high everything goes. It's so tall. Just really excited about this space. It is maybe, I would say it's probably like 1 extra meter longer, maybe 1.5 meters. But it's just enough room that I can fit everything I need to in here. All of my bins fit underneath the table, so I don't have to deal with a big tower. And I'm just super excited about it. So thank you all for bearing with me. You know, this is launch day and I've been so busy moving, I haven't responded to very many questions, but it seems like there's still plenty of seats left. I'm about to head home, have some dinner, and relax. I hope that you're having a fantastic day and that has been a good week for you. I'll see you tomorrow, and happy stitching.